So these right here are my Instagram story covers, and I'm going to show you exactly how I created these. Now let's go straight into a browser and I'll show you how you can create that as well for your Instagram. Fire up a browser, it doesn't matter which one, but I'll go with Google Chrome. And you want to type in the name of an icon that you're looking for. In this case, I'm going to be finding a YouTube icon. So I'm going to type YouTube. And since I'm going to be looking for a black and white icon like all of my other icons, I'm going to include that into the search icon, black and white. And then search. So immediately you find a lot of black and white icons coming out. Now here is where the tax is. You want to click on images. Sorting out the right icon that you want to use is where a lot of time is consumed, because you want to make sure you have that sort of same flow to all the other icons that you already have. Like if I double tap right here, I can go back and take a look at the ones I have just to make sure I am choosing one that looks like the rest of them. But I'm going to try and go with this one. I'm going to try and go with this one. I don't know, but keep scrolling. I like it, but I could do better. Maybe this one right here. Kind of like the same, but I will go with this one right here. So I'm going to tap and hold and then save image. So we already have our icon. And of course, you know already that this can be done for whatsoever icon that you are looking for. So I'm going to now find the background image. I am going to type in gray background image. So again, you have to choose for yourself. You just have to keep going and going till you find one you like. It could be any other color, but this is my favorite and the one that I already have, as you can see here already. So I'm going to save it and then get out of the browser for good. So what you want to do next is to open up your Eraser app. Open up Eraser and you're going to add the image of the icon that you just downloaded. And why are we here in Eraser? It's because we want to erase the white from in this icon. Like the tube that you see, it's not like the U, because the U is transparent, you can see through it. But the tube has this white sort of texture and you cannot see through it, and you don't want that. So we're going to erase the white and make it transparent. So you want to hit on erase, target color, zoom in so to get it right, tap on white, and all of the whites in your image should be gone. Now you want to tap on done, you want to save it, save, yes, okay. Now that is out of our way. So the next app we're going to go to, which is the final app, is the Phonto app. Open up Phonto, camera icon, photo albums. You want to find your background first. You want to click on done, add image, go now for your icon, and you're going to tap done. Voila, you have your icon right in the middle of your background. Now if the icon seems a little too small for you, you just want to tap on it and you see size and you can resize it. But mind you, do not overdo this, because you still have an option to resize and set your image when you upload it to your Instagram stories highlight. So I would just leave it the way it is. And now I'm going to save it. Save image. That is done. And you want to fire up now your Instagram again. You go to add a story, find the icon, and you want to add it to your story. wait for it to upload. That is posted. So now all you have to do is come right here to new. Here is your icon. Type next. Edit cover. Here you can zoom in, zoom out, however you want till you have your icon sitting the way you would love it. So I think that's okay for me. I'm going to hit on done and give your highlight cover a name. This is of course going to be YouTube, and you add it. And there you have it, guys. It's right there, blinking, YouTube. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel. When you do, also please hit a bell icon. That way you receive notifications every time I post a brand new video. Also, you can check me out on Instagram. Until I see you in the next video, peace out.